Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by KlaiyiHair. Shout out to you, Klaiyi, for sending me this unit. Right here, this headband came in the packaging as well as that wig cap. And right here, I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, it does have that little 4x4 lace. And it is a lace closure parting wig. Okay, so you cannot part this wig anywhere else. The texture is body wave, and yes, honey, you can get sick in them waves, girl. You can get sick in them ways. So right here I did decide to use mousse and flexi rods to curl the hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna talk more in detail about that later on in the outro portion of the video. So if you are interested in that, then I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I wanted to make sure, before I get into details and specs and stuff about this unit, I wanted to make sure you guys got a good look at the hair and at the top of it and stuff before I put on my hat, girl, because I feel like a hat, honey. I wanted these curls, all that good stuff for the hat. So I'm just gonna let you guys get a good look. Obviously, when I do my full 360, I'm gonna take the hat off, but yeah, I'm just feeling hat vibes, like, girl, yes. But I want you to get a good look at it without the hat, okay? So yeah. Now we're gonna put on the hat. I don't know what's gotten into me, but I have become such a hat chick these days. I'm looking over here to make sure that the camera is where it needs to be. But I have become such a hat girl these days, honey. If you're interested in this hat, I will have a direct link to it down below under the links to the hair and stuff. But anyways, now to this hair. So this hair was sent to me by Klaiyi. I always say their name wrong. I have worked with this company before, and I used to get the name wrong all the time. But honey, I must say they always came through with the hair, honey. Okay, they always came through with the hair. So shout out to you. It says on the site, it says Klaiyi 100% high quality virgin human hair body wave wig, lace part wig, natural black hair wig. So that's what they have on the site. So it says that this wig is available in 14 to 24 inches. Now I do have it in 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. And the only density that they have available is 150%. So it says the hair is on a natural color. It says the material is 100% virgin human hair. Hair grade Klaiyi virgin hair body wave, medium luster, bleach dye friendly. Length 12 to 24 inches is available. Very soft, healthy, and thick. The hair part, so it is a closure parting, so it comes like in this middle part. You cannot part it anywhere else. Now granted, you should be able to shift it somewhere else, but you cannot part this wig anywhere else. And honey, I want you guys to be clear with that, okay, girl? And it says lace wig type, lace closure wig, 4x4 lace wig. So mind you, once again, this is a part. It has like the little part in it. You can't part it anywhere, even though it says 4x4, and it does come with the lace from here to here, like a 4x4. And yeah, so it says cap size 22 to 22.5 inches, one piece only. Okay, so this wig is $131.46, and I think that is a really good price for this unit, like in my opinion. So yeah, shout out to you once again. Okay, now as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, literally I noticed none, not even when I used the flexi rods. And it's been a while since I used flexi rods. That used to not be my forte, girl. It's still not necessarily my forte, but I want it to be, okay? But I didn't notice any shedding or tangling with this wig. Now, is it big head friendly? Because I think it only comes in an average cap size. In my opinion, you will be able to make it work. Now, I will say this. I have very, very big ears. I mean, very big ears. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed. I have big ears. I don't feel like any closure wig is big ear friendly. I just don't, honey. I don't think they make them for us. They make them for the girls that have the small ears. Like, so if your ears are a little big, sometimes it'll kind of like lay on them. And I always forget to mention that in my videos. Honey, I was raised by an older woman, so honey, pain is beauty to me. So I don't mind. I can deal with it, but I know that can just be like, girl, I don't like no pain. I'll be thinking about it all day. Honestly, I usually don't even notice it until I take the wig off and my ears like bright red. Like, oh my God. Sometimes I can, like right now, I got my ear kind of poking out and it's fine. So to me, in my opinion, this one fixed me probably the best, because usually my ears are just going through it, honey. Okay. But anyways, that's that as far as the construction. Now this wig does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. So keep in mind, I'm 5'4", and this is where she comes on me. And this is where she comes to me in the back. Okay, so that's that. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, all of that, then please continue. honestly, y'all, I think this wig is an entire look. It's not just the hat, because the hat got me kind of feeling myself, girl. Okay, it's not just that though. It's the hair. When I took the hair out last night, because I actually used the flexi rods last night. When I took the hair out, it was total hair porn. The hair was so pretty. And I remember that being one of the things that I really liked about this company was the fact that their hair was always so pretty. It was always so, it had a natural shine to it, a natural nice luster, and it was bouncy, and it just looked good, girl. It just looked good straight out of the packaging. I didn't even want to mess with the waves, but I knew I had a look in my head, and y'all know, if you watch me, if I got a look in my head, I gotta do that look. But I was feeling the wig prior to that. Like, I thought the hair was really, really, really nice. I think this hair is really nice. Like, I do. Now, these days, I kind of struggle with the whole closure thing because, as you guys can see, just in this area, the hairline area, it can be a little dense. And that is probably my only con, and that's with all of them. I'm not sure how to tweeze them without showing the track. I'm sure there's a way to do it, but I ain't nobody's beautician, girl, okay? She is just not, okay? I'm gonna work with what I got when I got it, how I got it, girl, okay? And yeah, I hadn't figured that out. I will, maybe somebody can teach me, child, I don't know. But that would be my only con, and it's the same con that I have with almost all of the closure wigs. Like, I just don't know how to tweeze them without honey having tracks everywhere. I just don't. Somebody in the comments, can you help us with that? Okay, so yeah, that would be my only con. But the hair in itself to me is gorgeous, like perfection. Like, this is gonna be a fade for a little bit, girl, okay? It just feels fall. It feels thick. It feels everything. Like, it's everything. I love it. And yeah, y'all, I think that's pretty much it as far as that. Now, products that I used last night, I watched somebody's video. Lord, I hope I can find the girl video. But I watched this girl video, and she was using the flexi rods, and I was like, I'm gonna do that. I had my little bag, honey, because I've been organizing. So I was like, I know I got flexi rods. I found the flexi rods, and she was saying get bigger pieces to get like that beach wave sort of look. And I don't think I achieved that, but I like the waves that I did achieve. And she put mousse on it. She was actually using the Cream of Nature argan oil, which is one of my favorite mousses, but I'm out of it, child. So I instead used my foam wrapping lotion, because that's what I had. I used that on dry hair. Like, I didn't wet it or anything. On dry hair, I put the mousse on, and then I flexi rodded it. Now, I ain't good at flexi rodding, so I can't give y'all no tutorial on that, girl, but that's what I did to it. Okay, all I can do is tell you what I did to it. I showed y'all what I did to it too. Use a different lens so you can really see it too, honey. Okay, so that's what I did to it. And today I just basically took the flexi rods out and finger combed it, because the girl's video that I watched, she actually mentioned that she used a comb, and honey, she was like, no ma'am. No ma'am. Okay, so she was like, it looks better, it would look better if you finger combed it. So that's what I did. I got the curls, I got the look that I wanted. It looks good to me. So yeah, and then the rest is the same old child. You already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up.
Okay, y'all, this is Editing Chrissy from the future. Y'all, I have no idea where my full 360 clip is at. I have no idea. I can't find it. I'm so sorry, y'all. I promise you. See, my hat is going to be off and everything in the next clip. That's because I took it off to do the 360, and now I don't have that clip. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. I love y'all. Bye.
So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And if you are interested in any other products, some of the products that I use, I also have those linked down below. They're affiliate links, child, okay? So if you don't want me to get no coin, y'all already know what I say. Honey, you're going to have to find it somewhere else. And yeah, once again, thank you so much, Klaiyi. I'm sorry I said your name wrong, child. I'm sorry about it. But thank you so much for sending me this beautiful unit. And we're done, girl. We're through. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.